Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka ku-Genesis from Monday to Friday. Monday mhla ka-19 January 2026. Genesis make a bold move that sends shockwaves through the industry. The rising star is challenged to prove her worthy or step aside. New revise come knocking with the Scottish said. Ngolwesibili mhla ka-20 January 2026, uFelicia and Rebecca Malope uplift in unforgettable music cadenza, but joy tends to dread when Gabriel makes his demand. And the only room for one Mashonisa is Kahle Hong. Ngolwesithathu mhla ka-21 January 2026, Bonko choose war over peace. Mmaron gets shock of her life. Wendy is all powered up and her power runs to her head. Ngolwesine mhla ka-22 January 2026, Wendy makes a chilling realization about her action. Gabriel has had enough of disrespect from the gospel industry. Unobuhle overhears something she really shouldn't have.